Non-renewable power station has no longer relevant to be used in Indonesia. Non-renewable power stations, which rely mostly on coal and petroleum, have been polluting nature and cause a massive climate change due to its emission of carbon dioxide. Payton Power Station, which is the main supplier of electricity in Indonesia, is also one of the biggest coal-based power station in the world, contributing in a big number of 2 metric tons of carbon dioxide emitted per year in Indonesia. This type of power plant also have failed to provide energy in remote areas around Indonesia. Even in Java, there are still many rural areas that still haven't been touched by electricity. This conditions needs to be changed in order to provide better future for next generation. With that in mind, it is time to think of a new way to provide a self-sustainable clean energy that could reach many isolated area efficiently. From this came the thought of the home power plant. Home power plant is a plan to fulfill the needs of household electricity independently by using solar energy or photovoltaic system without the needs of centered power plants such as Payton. There is absolutely no carbon produced by photovoltaic system while converting solar energy to electric energy. And also, because Indonesia is located in equator line, we have a geographical advantage in hand. That means we don't need to worry about sunlight because it shines whole year equally throughout all location in Indonesia. As long as sunlight able to reach that area, no matter how remote or isolated it is, that area still could generate electricity efficiently and independently. This is very useful to save thousands of villages in Indonesia which still can't get electricity. Utilization of photovoltaic system in Indonesia is very promising. According to the calculation of Mulyo Widodo, 2017, lecturer of mechanical engineering faculty on ITB, in peak condition or when the position of the sun is perpendicular, the sunlight power that falls on the surface of solar panels in Indonesia with area of 1 square meter will be able to reach 900 to 1000 watt. Further, solar cells expert from the Department of Physics in ITB, Wilson Winas, 2017, stated that the total intensity of irradiation per day in Indonesia can reach up to 4.5 kilowatt-hours per square meter, which makes Indonesia very rich with solar energy. Due to its location around the equator, the sun in Indonesia can shine up to 2,000 hours per year. Yulianto, 2017. Compared to Payton power output, which produced 57,000 gigawatt-hours. By only covering 0.2% surface of cities in Indonesia, we could generate energy equal to Payton power plant for a year. If every home start using their own power plant, we no longer need to rely on non-renewable power station. This could result in great reduce of carbon emission and provide greener energy. Fortunately, right now, there are many big industries that are trying to create this home power plant solution reality. Tesla and Solar City, for example, at October 2016. Solar City CEO along with Tesla Motor CEO, Elon Musk unveil new revolutionary power wall and solar roof. Elon Musk stated, the goal is to make solar roof that look better than a normal roof, last longer, better insulation, and actually have a cost and installed cost that is less than a normal roof plus the cost of electricity. Musk 2016. The scenario is, as long as the sun shines from morning to afternoon, the absorbed solar energy is converted into electricity by the roof cell, which then stored in a special battery with a capacity of 7 to 10 kilowatt-hours. The stored energy is then used to power refrigerator, power socket and many household appliances for whole day, and with a combination with solar, you could empower your house indefinitely. Thus, the energy efficiency becomes more obvious. Besides Tesla and Solar City, other giants in energy industries also began developing home power plant system. Panasonic, for example. Right now, Panasonic has developed the photovoltaic cell that has great efficiency of 19.7%, Newark 2016. Thus, It has become more real for us to turn into home power plant system in the future as a solution to switch from oil and coal energy sources and bring a welfare of energy throughout Indonesia.